tornado. Sort of looks like one.
What are you looking at?
The cloud that looks like a tornado.
It kind of does, right?
Yeah.
Why do you have a girl bike?
That's not mine. I don't have a bike.
What do you wish that you had a
Dirt bike. A dirt bike.
Oh.
Blue dirt bike.
How much are there? Are them?
$50.
$50?
No,
That's
$80.
that's kind of cheap.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't have the money. Sorry.
But I have $50.
What?
I have $50 right here.
But you said it costs $80, but you have $50.
Well, can you make 30? Like, do you have 30 bucks or work?
I'll try. Okay.
When you want a dirt bike, I'm gonna across his head.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He wants a dirt bike. That's his dream. Dream dirt bike. Blue. I have $80. But I didn't know what to spend it on. So I'm gonna spend it on a dirt bike. Yeah, let's go. Woo! This dirt bike looks ready. Wait, does it actually work? Oh yeah, it does work. That's scary. That's scary. Joseph, come! I got you a surprise.
What is it?
Well, you have to know if you come. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Mine.
Yeah, it is yours. It's yours.
I'm kicking. I'm riding it right now.
Okay, do it. It's yours. You can do anything. Oh my god, look at him. He's just driving good. Yeah. I'm such a good friend. I'm a good friend. What happened?
I fell.
From the motorbike?
Yeah, I think I'm good. I can ride it again.
No. You stay. No. You can't. Oh, we have to take you to the hospital.
No.
No, we have to. But you probably broke your leg or something or your head.
I'm driving now.
No. I'm not gonna let you stop whatever it wants. I'm gonna do everything in my power. No. He just left me. Wow. That's the horriblest kid I have ever seen. 20 days later.
$20 later, he got better and better.
That's my... To be continued.